Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy usability testing and security with usable security easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by defining usability testing in the context of security. Explain the importance of understanding user behavior when interacting with security features. Identify the primary goals of usability testing for security, such as enhancing user experience and minimizing errors. Gather a diverse group of participants who represent your target audience. Create specific tasks that you want users to perform related to security features. Ensure these tasks reflect real-world scenarios that users may encounter. Develop a usability testing plan outlining the procedures, tools, and metrics you will use. Select the appropriate usability testing methods, such as remote testing, in-person sessions, or A/B testing. Prepare an environment conducive to observing user interactions, whether physical or virtual. Conduct a pilot test to identify any issues with your tasks or setup. Once everything is ready, begin the usability testing sessions with your participants. Encourage participants to vocalize their thoughts as they navigate through the tasks. Observe and record user interactions, noting any struggles or points of confusion. Collect both qualitative and quantitative data, including completion rates and time taken for each task. At the end of each session, gather feedback from participants about their experience. Analyze the data to identify common issues and areas for improvement. Prioritize the issues based on their impact on user experience and security. Develop actionable recommendations to address the identified usability problems. Implement the necessary changes in your security features based on user feedback. Conduct follow-up testing to evaluate the effectiveness of the adjustments made. Continue to iterate on your security features and usability testing as user needs evolve. Document the entire process and results for future reference and continual improvement. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.